A for loop allows us to run code repeatedly, where a variable inside of the code will go sequentially through each element of a vector. Now, there's two key things you should know. The variable is just something we define that will change inside of the code here. The vector is the elements it'll go through, each thing it'll change to every time the code runs. So let's look at our example down below, and you'll notice that I is the variable. This is what will be in the code right here, and it'll change every time the code runs. What will I change to? It'll start with 1 and go through 10. This is just a vector of elements that I will go through. So what will this code do? This code will print 1 through 10, and we can see it happen right here. It prints 1 through 10 to the screen, and what we actually didn't see in the background was the first time it ran, 1 was stored into I, and then it printed I. And it did this repeatedly until it reached 10, and then the for loop stopped. Now, the great thing about for loops is they can do a lot of code very quickly. So if this was a much longer vector, it could print all those to the screen very quickly.